Sponsor me.
Niggas don't really believe in this shit no more. It's like everything wood. That shit gonna fly over these niggas' heads.
It's the wavy cracker dishes. I'm the waviest one in the game, man. I'm about to ride this wave.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this vid, gotta give a shout out to my sponsor, Jay at XGear101. You use my discount code WAVY and save 20% off your next purchase. You already know, ow. Today, the Jordan 1 Bred toes came out. I've been seeing a lot of people hype about these. I was actually hyped about these. I just got turned on to like ones, I say back in 2014, I believe. Yeah, 2014, because I wasn't really feeling them. And a lot of my homies, they tell me the same thing. Like, well, I wasn't really feeling them joints either, but now I start, you know, we caught the vapors, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, let's get into the vid. Shout out to Foot Locker. Hope that look good. See what I got on for. Got to use my military discount. $139.36. So let me see what I think my discount was like 20% off. I don't know. I saved like $32 on these joints though, man. So shout out to Foot Locker for allowing me to use this. Shout out to all the vets out there, man. You know, like that's the least that they can do. Y'all out there serving your country away from your loved ones. I mean, you know, shouldn't be no issue. Shouldn't be no issue even if it's a quick strike. Really, you know, like. Anyway, you got your Jordan 1 box right here, size 10, retail price $160. Gym red, black, summit white, rogue, gym. Y'all niggas know how to read? So anyway, man, let's open these joints up. I should have checked them when I was there, but I mean, I want the element of surprise too. Okay. Down, here we go. And pull the other one out. Oh, these joints look all right. Quality's looking good. Make sure I ain't got no creases in my joint prematurely, you know? Yeah, man, our first looks. Let me just take a moment to gather this in, because let me see. I did see some, I know I saw a glue stain. I ain't going, let me see. I thought I saw one.
Open your eyes, motherfucker.
Joints are straight. I think I'm gonna do a comparison vid with these and the shatter backboards. I saw a thumbnail of that. There's probably some out there, but I'm gonna do mine, you know, that up a bit. But y'all already know what we here for. I'm just gonna show y'all, do a little review of the sneak, and you know what I'm saying? It's on foot time. Report the bridge. Right. But anyway, man, let's start out with the sole. Bam. Got your Jordan 1 sole right here, all red. Got the Nike Air and the swoosh in the middle. Got them stars right there. And I'm about to erase some of them out with my on feet moves. You already know. All right. Now we take it to the midsole. Midsole's white. You see my sole, how the red is kind of like, you know, but whatever. Take it to the medial side. You got that smooth black leather right here. And I'm guessing this is like a sail. It's supposed to be white, but it's more like a sail white. Check out that tumble. You got your black Nike swoosh. Take it to the heel. You got your red smooth leather right here. Now up top, it starts getting a little tumbled. And then you got your black smooth leather right here as well. Take it to the lateral side. Same as the medial side. You got your black right here, smooth leather, sail white, black Nike swoosh. And you got your red around the heel. And you can't forget about the Air Jordan logo in black right there. All right, now toe box action. Let me take this joint out so I can get a feel for it.
Come on!
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely do a comparison vid. But yeah, man, you got your red toe box right here, tumble leather. Feels pretty good. Tongue is black. All the way at the top, you got your Nike Air lettering with the swoosh in red. Don't forget about those black shoelaces. I always do. Your insole's black with Nike Air lettering in red along with the swoosh. Pretty much it. I hope I didn't forget anything, man. You know what I'm saying? You know me, man, I just be ready for that on feet. But yeah, man, now our first looks, these joints are hard. Let me know if y'all copped. Let me know what y'all think about these. And has anybody had a chance to compare them to their, just leave this out. Has anybody had a chance to compare them? Has anybody had a chance to compare them to the shatter backboards? So I know that's like a big thing. I'm definitely gonna do that in the next vid, but right now we just focus on feet, yeah, I know. But anyway, yeah, the only issue I have with these, check out the red sole. It's kind of like, I don't know, like the red's like protruding onto the white a little bit.
Where you learn such fancy words at?
These joints is hard right here. I'm not gonna lie, they look better. Y'all, they're better than the black toes in my opinion. I mean, if you got the black toes, check this out. Let's retract.
I'm gonna reverse the script. Check this out.
If you got the black toes and you're bummed out that you wasn't able to get these, I'm saying, man, you rocking the same thing. Technically, like it just is, you know, with me, man, it's how you rocking them, so it don't really matter. Would I have been mad if I wasn't able to get these? Not really. I'm not gonna huff and puff and take the IG and be like, oh, they did it. Like, all right, cool. You know what I'm saying? You just work with what you got, man. Be happy. fuck it, you know what I'm saying? Says the guy that cop. But not for real, but one cop that I really was trying to get was the Air Max 98, the Gundam joints. Man, them joints sold out so quick. I was tight, man. If anybody knows where I can get those at like a good price, I ain't trying to get hit over the head. That's why I'm like chilling, because I am gonna go back and cop them joints, but I really want them for this upcoming weekend. You know what I'm saying? I already got like, you know?
Watch your mouth!
Word. But anyway, yeah, man, give you a few more looks at these joints. Oh, and then you got your replacement laces right here. I don't replace the laces, man. I work with how they came. These are crazy. What y'all think? Did y'all cop? I heard that a lot of people was thrown off because they was looking at the Foot Locker app, and it was showing that there was a lot of stores getting them. They wasn't about to rock me to sleep trying to make me believe that these were gonna be just sitting or something like that. That was just no way. So yeah, maybe a lot of stores got them, but just like a lot of stores, they didn't get a lot of pairs, because that's the first thing I asked when I went to 170. If I was like, y'all getting a lot of pairs? Girl was like, no. I was like, okay. You know what I'm saying? But yo, shout out to Fordham. Put these right here. Hey, thank you to everybody that's been rocking with the channel. I appreciate it. Almost at 11K, that's big. That's what's up. You know, I got more content coming, more vlogs coming. Should be a good week coming up. Hit that like button if you like the vid again. Let's try to get this joint like to them 300s. I do like putting on for these on feet. If y'all can help me out, boom, you know.
No, sorry.
Greatly appreciated, word. But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Y'all already know. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be.
Man, you know this is bullshit.
But that Snups.
It's just completely whack. Face it.
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. at your beach. Stay tuned for the on feet. See you when I see you. Out.
All I ride is old school and keep it pimpin' like my daddy. All I need now is a brand new caddy. Keep it all though like Clifford Harrison used to have it. Smoking on the perk, can you see I'm an addict? Ride through the hood, I ain't causing no static. But if a nigga acting dumb, I'ma show let him have it. Nobody touching me in the all black imp, in the all black rims with the all black tint. Sticky peanut butter with a freeze doing tricks. I wonder if she walk a tightrope for this dick. Bubble ass, them thighs, them hips. She keep her head down, so I haven't seen her lips. But I tell you one thing, she keep me swerving in the whip. Brainiac to the beat, cause this song gets shit. I wish I could show my fans how I get down. I'm telling one thing, welcome to my lifestyle. A brother with my pinky so the ice can make her nipples purr. Her girlfriend snickering and giggling like a big flirt. She sucked her hands in my waist till the current took a skirt. Now she's blowing and blowing till she don't want nothing else. A girl lick her thighs, ate a pie till there's nothing left. Now they kiss each other while they both got it on their breath. I guess breaking back's what make these girls' heart melt.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my niggas.